All right, so I got this little side table to be able to try to pair it with my vanity, just because I needed some more space. It does have a nice little lift up top here. It does have 2 extra shelves on the bottom, and it does have the charging, which happens to be in the back, which is probably the thing that I do not like the most, because once you put it back here, it's hard to get to it. And if you turn it around the other way to where it would be usable, then the top would not work because it only flips one way. All right. It is super cute though.